Welcome back, guys. So I had this idea at work just stirring in my brain. I wrote this parody. See if I can pull it up here. Wrote this parody, you probably can't even read it, of All I Want for Christmas Is You. Took those words and changed it up, made it funny, some twist on it, and then I took it and rewrote it. Let me see if I can pull this up here. So then I wrote it and wrote out instructions on what clips I want to get. I want to, when I'm singing this, I want this on the screen. And so I've got all these things in my head and I put them out on paper. Now I got to shoot this video because it's going to be a TikTok and it'll probably be on my music channel as well. It's going to be a little short parody.
I won't get a lot for Christmas. There's one thing I know is true. And the problem with that video is that it has no reverb. So I have this app that I was able to do one trial with, and then it's $3 a month after that. And you literally could take anything and add reverb to it. So you have your song, and you can pick the room. And I like arena, and I like to put it about 20% toward the dry and 80% away from the wet. I won't get a lot for... So as you can see in here, there's this track at the top, which is the music track with the reverb added. It's an audio only. Well, then all I had to do was sync the original video up. Now, what I did though was take the original video and I muted right here. I sung a phrase, then I trimmed the video back to that phrase. The video went for the full length, 37 seconds. Well, then I took and added these B-roll clips that I made of the wallet. Then I went in and added another clip of that same video and trimmed it and synced that clip to the audio. Added another B-roll clip. Sped this one up a little bit. You can go into the speed right there, and I sped that up 2 times. That's the fastest that you can do. If you want to go faster, you have to reprocess that footage over and over to get it faster and faster. There's a clip again that's synced. There's B-roll, face that's been synced, B-roll, and then it ends with the synced video. These are just synced, and you just have to go in and hit trim and just keep on moving it and testing it till you get the starting point right on time where it's starting right where the audio file is starting. And then once you get that, you can save it and process it as a new file. But just make sure all of your audios of the videos have been muted and all you're hearing is that reverb track that you created on whatever app you're using to add reverb. And if you're not adding reverb, you can do that as well, where you're just taking a dry track and adding all your different clips on top of it. And here is the finished product. I won't get a lot for Christmas. There's one thing I know is true, because I spent all my money, broken my pocketbook. Now I need a refinance just so I can buy some pants. Take away these blues. Now I can buy me some new shoes. Well, that's it. I hope you like this video. Subscribe to this channel. Till next time, God bless.